Right, and welcome back to another video at BF Performance with Custom Exhaust. I did say that this will be back in, and you'll probably see this vehicle again. This is part 3 now. Previously, on previous videos, we did the resonator delete, then we did the backbox delete, and then we advised the customer that it's probably worth having an induction kit fitted as well. Now, we looked into the induction kits, and there is nothing on the market at the moment for these and for this engine. So what we've done is we've put together a custom sort of like induction kit for him, and we're going to fit that today. We'll go through the pieces that I'm going to fit to his car. Let's crack on. Right, these are the parts that we're going to be fitting to the FR. Now, I've bought a silicon cone, which is, it's got a 45-degree angle. It's 2.25 at one end, 3 inch at the other. It's then going to be going into an alloy pipe. Let's open this up, have a look inside here. Yep, alloy pipe with 45 degree, 3 inch at one end, 3 inch at the other. We've got a clamp. And then we've also splashed out and got him a nice ram air filter. I mean, we're looking on the market for air filters. We looked at possibilities of air filters. I don't really think it's worth putting a cheap air filter on your car. If you're going to buy an air filter, buy a branded filter, because you know you're going to be buying something that's decent quality. You don't want to suck in any small particles of anything, dust, anything like that. You want to protect that engine, don't you? So I think it's worth investing in a decent quality air filter. This is the ram air filter. It's got reducing cones inside there. Inside the box they send you several different reducers. So whatever pipe you might have on your intake, you can then reduce it down in size and it'll fit correctly. Right, let's put this together on the car. But Harry fills his pockets with sweets instead.
No one else can have them then. Just
Give
me. No.
Share. Come on. Share.
Co-op zone. Three for a quid.
Not sponsored.
3 for a quid. Banging.
Oh, yeah.
I got some mushrooms in the toolbox too.
This week on What Is Todd Eating?
Hey, come over here.
Oh, shower.
Add them in here. No one will find them then.
Now you just told me where your stash is.
Raspberry mushrooms.
Thanks for that.
Just move drawer.
Just moved wrong.
Tom just swore.
Right. Tom. Would you shut up? You don't even talk, right? And now you won't even shut up. Right, this. There he goes again. Right, this is the stock pipe and airbox that we're going to be removing. I'm not sure yet when we're going to if we're going to leave the base of the box in there or not. What we'll do is we'll take the lid off. We'll work out what pipe we're going to need, if we're going to need to chop it or anything like that to make it fit. These don't have a MAF sensor in these pipes, which is quite handy really. So we can literally just put the pipe straight on the MAF, and the MAF are built into the actual intake inlet manifold. So let's make a start. Let's take these pipes off here and measure up and see where it's going to fit.
Contribution today.
Well, it's one thing more than usual.
Boom.
Done.
Done.
Harry, stop playing with the pipe. Every single time. As you can see, with that on there, it's going to be touching the bonnet. So let's chop this down and it'll sit a bit lower. The alloy pipe will then come out of here, 45-degree angle over here with the air filter on. So let's chop that down.
What a shot!
What a shot! What a shot! You know what, Harry? Do you know what time it is?
11:38.
No, I wasn't asking the time. Do you know what time it is?
Good time.
No.
Right, so we popped the reducer ring onto the alloy pipe there. I did try and put it on with the filter, but it just would not go over the end there. So if you put that on first, then we can slot that on. Mock it up first and see whereabouts it's going to sit. Then we'll put all the clamps on and start it up and see what it sounds like. Hopefully it's going to give him a bit more induction noise, as well as the exhaust that we've done. I think this will give it a bit more induction noise, make it sound a lot better than it does as stock. Right, that's the induction kit now fitted. I'm really happy with how this has turned out actually. It's fitted nicely and it sits nicely and it sounds pretty cool actually. I'm happy with the sound. Now, please, if you like our videos, please subscribe, like the video. Now, if this was your car, what would you do next? Please comment down below. He's had the resonator delete, he's had the backbox delete, and he's also had the induction kit. But if you've got one of these, we'd like to know, what would you have done next? Stay tuned for the next videos.
It's hard to do it.
You try.
I don't like coffee. Try that one then, see what I'll put it back. Just give that one, Jason.
So comment down below, give him some ideas and we'll pass the feedback. Oh, I messed that up like that.